Hello, I'm the Nature Guy. Throughout this film, I will be giving you tips on how you can survive in nature.
What was that?
What's that?
Well, what's going on, fellas?
Wow! Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, who are you?
Oh, I'm just a friendly traveler. What's going on, my friends?
We're just going on a little walk down the path through the woods.
Nature. Gotta love it. Well, I'm a nature guide. So, would you like a tour?
Well, we just wanted to kind of go alone.
You want a tour?
Ah!
No.
Okay.
Do you?
Sure, yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, let's go. Follow me.
You can go
Yep.
first.
Enjoy the beauty of nature.
Yep. I love nature. I love nature.
I love nature. Yeah, nature.
Rule number 1. Natives are great target practice.
Native peoples. Hold my style. Hello, mates. We come in peace. So, what are you doing over there? Fire? You said fire? Fire? All right. That's how it's done.
Rule number 2. Never stray from the group.
Would you look at that right there? A stream. How are we supposed to cross it?
The water's an inch high.
You don't know what's in that water.
It's an inch high.
Well, how are we going to cross?
There's a brick over there.
I recommend what we do is we hop from stone to stone to get across. No, don't go on that bridge, my friend. Don't even think about it. Alright, so what stones do you think we should use here? We'll do He's alive. Get up, buddy. We need to keep moving.
Help me.
Watch out, might not be sturdy.
Follow my lead.
Oh my
Not sturdy there. Get up. This will teach you a lesson. Get up.
My leg. Kyle, I hate you. Mother.
Would you like a hand here, friend?
No.
No, are you kidding?
Rule number 3. Always stay hydrated.
Don't drink that, you fool! Stream water, like a camel. Like a camel, yes, like that.
Rule number 4. Civilians always ruin nature.
Howdy there, young civilian.
Hello, my good sir. Why do you live here, ruining Mother Nature?
Well, I recycle water, I make compost, and I use solar.
Liar! Let's go search their bodies for money.
Rule number 5. Embrace nature.
What do we do
We're going
next?
to learn to embrace Mother Nature.
What is that?
Take your shirt off. Take it off.
No, I don't.
Hurry, do it. Mom's making meatloaf tonight. You better hurry this up. You, Ginger, go get those leaves over there. Those, yes, stupid. It's poison ivy. Take them. Hurry up. Come on, he's having mashed potatoes. Take it, rub it all over his body. He needs to learn to embrace it.
Oh, Kyle, no.
Do it. You itch?
Rule number 6. Never question the authority of the nature guide.
Are you a professional?
Are we gonna be able to leave? First of all, don't question me.
How much longer are we gonna do this?
Where are we? Is that where you are? Yes.
Yeah.
You want to know when you're gonna go home?
When?
Never!